Hi everybody, Stanbitsu Creates here, and I am here with a special guest today. It's Aurora. Aurora, look here. She's very interested in something that came in the mail for her. I used to subscribe before to BarkBox, and I thought we would do another round of it. Not that she needs any more toys, but it is a good value. Everything's made in the USA. Right, Aurora? And she's very anxious. She's just sitting, waiting if she can open her BarkBox. So what do you think, Aurora? Should we open it up? Should we look and see what's inside? Uh-oh. Who's that? It's Scoob. Oh, it's coming in theaters May 15th. So I think we're already there. Uh-oh, what's in here? Look at what's in here. Aurora, are you excited? It's all Scooby-Doo stuff. She's trying to decide which one she wants first. What do you think? So Aurora is getting a new family member. Uh-oh, she's going for the big hamburger. Well, my son and his girlfriend are getting a new puppy. Actually, he has arrived home today. So I thought maybe Aurora would like to share something with the new puppy. But looks like we had a big hamburger. Now we have a Scooby-Doo. What else is in here, Aurora? Aurora. What else? What else? Oh. We have the Scoobmobile. Oh, I think she likes that one, the favorite. So let's see, maybe we can share something else in here. We have Scooby Snacks, sweet potato recipe dog treat. And we have Scooby Snacks. Ooh, trout recipe dog treats with potatoes and honey. And we have more Scooby Snacks, peanut butter dog treats with blueberries and vanilla. Oh, that almost sounds good enough that I want to try some. So let's see what else it says on here. This is a monthly subscription box, if you're not familiar. It says join the team, cut out the Scoob tag, and fold it over your dog's collar for an unforgettable photo. Hashtag BarkBox Day, hashtag Scoob. And this says, from the bravest Chihuahua to the scariest... Somebody took the tag off already. I guess she's like, this one's mine. She loves it. Okay. So from the bravest Chihuahua to the scariest Great Dane, every dog has a beginning. You'll never forget the first time you locked eyes with your pup and knew that the search was over. The mystery was solved. You were meant for each other. See Scoob only in theaters May 15th to learn the epic origin story of the world's favorite dog, besides yours, of course, and play along with our Scoob BarkBox as you make another round of memories with your #1 teammate. So, how did your epic tale begin? Take a hashtag BarkBox photo of your dog with hashtag Scoob Toys. In the caption, tell us the story of how you first teamed up with your pup. And in here, it shows you all the different collections. So it looks like we got Scoob, we got Scoob's Groovy Sandwich, and we got the Mystery Machine. And here is a how-to BarkBox. So let me just open this up and see. Okay, hold on a sec. So it looks like it's telling you about how you open it, which we have already done so. She was patiently waiting. This opens up. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. Welcome to the BarkBox. Yeah, how cute, all the little puppies. But it's a real great value. If you sign up, and you can get it month by month, or you can save by getting it multiple months and save one price. So this is super fun. Let's see what else this says. We're on the case. supervised play, safe play, treats for eating, toys for not eating. And so that's super fun. And here's the whole mystery. So let's take a look at the snacks. So here's the back. The one thing I love about their snacks is that it's all made in the USA. So right there you can see it's all natural, grain-free, 100% mouth-watering. And I do like that. So this one is delicious treats made with care for the best dogs on the planet. And again, this is the Scooby Snacks peanut butter dog treats with blueberries and vanilla. So we'll have to give those a try. And then we have these Scooby Snacks trout recipe. That's interesting. And here is, get a better look on that. Here is the back of that. And it is all made in the USA, which I love. So that's those. And this is the Scooby Snacks sweet potato recipe dog treat with turmeric. I'm not sure what turmeric is. I've heard of that. So, excuse me. So here's the ingredients. Sweet potato, chickpeas, pea flour, coconut glycerin, tapioca flour, brewer's yeast, honey, turmeric, lactic acid, a preservative, and citric acid preservative. And won't zoom in there. Feed your dog as a treat or snack in limited quantities. So, yeah, this is, well, our little toys have already run off, but this is our opening of our, well, it is September, so this is the September box. So this might have been a backlog of boxes. And let's see what we're doing over here. Are you liking your toys? Huh? She's like, never mind the toys. You gonna sit? You wanna sit for a treat? You wanna sit? Oh, who's gonna sit for a treat? So this is Aurora. She's a rescue. She rescued me actually 3 years ago from Blue Chip out in Dallas, Pennsylvania. And she is a pug Dalmatian mix, which they originally told me she was a pug and a beagle, but I had actually run into her previous owner and he said, nope, she's Dalmatian mix. So, real good girl, I'll tell you. If you can, oh, she's taking all the tags off. If you have the opportunity to get a rescue dog, you will save their life and make such a difference in yours. When I got her, she was 5 years old, and I've had her now for 3 years. She's the best dog ever. That's all I could say. She has a crate. She loves to sleep in her crate. She took all the tags off. That's good because we need to take our tags off before we play with our toys, right? So she's really loving her bark box. So definitely, if you need some good, you made in the USA treats, some very durable dog toys, and I'm going to tell you, they are very durable. Definitely look into subscribing to the subscription box of Bark Box. It'll come every month, comes right to your door, so you don't need to go to the store to buy anything with the whole pandemic going on. It's a great value. Look here, Aurora. You gonna say goodbye to everybody? Say bye, everybody. Say thanks, Mommy, for the Bark Box. I love it. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for joining Aurora and myself. And be sure to hit the subscribe button. And you will, if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So we will be back really soon with more Bark Box fun. Right, Aurora? Say bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. All right, everyone. Have a great day. We will see you all back here again real soon. Bye for now.